Hello everyone, welcome back to OneCloud. In this today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how to draw highlights in Photoshop. And this is gonna one of the best tutorial in my whole channel, so that I'm strongly suggesting you to watch it till the end. And if you are new in my channel, please make sure that you have subscribed my channel and please hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of every new video in advance. So let's get started. So this is our main subject. I have voted, and then now I'm gonna draw the background black because the highlights reflects more on black surface rather than the white. So now I'm gonna make the source of light, the main source of light in our manipulation. After drawing it, I'm going to decrease the natural lighting values of our subject. For that, I will go for the curves. I will clip on it and I will decrease our values. So, but you can check it out that some of the brighter part of our subject is remained. So for that, I will duplicate the main subject and then I will merge it with the black background. After that, I will convert it into black and white, and then I will draw the black color on the subject which I don't need, and then I will copy it. I will go for the exposure. I will paste the mask, and after pasting to the mask, I will increase the value of the exposure, and you will check it out that how I decrease the overall natural values of the main subject and overall natural lighting values of the main subject. And now it's time to draw the highlights. So there are many tools which you can use while drawing highlights. You can use hue and saturation, curves, selective colors, and many more, but mainly I go for the curves rather than others. And if you wanna watch the another methods to do highlights, you can go for the part 1, which I have already uploaded on my YouTube channel. So I use the curves. I maintain the values of red, green, and blue. You can check it out how I'm doing this all. So please make sure that while making a proper structure of highlights, your highlights will never brighter than the brighter area of the main source of light. So now I'm gonna draw the highlights on your main subject. So not only this, you have to also check it out that which kind of the surface of your subject have. Like in my case, I have a metallic surface on my main subject, so that I will also draw the shiny lights on my subject, and I will do it for the leaf. So that now I'm drawing the reflection of our highlights. Now it's time to draw some shiny surface. So for that, I will draw some brownish shades on that metallic surface, and then I will increase our opacity and I will draw the main light source on it, and I will change the blend mode to screen, and you can check it out how the result is. So now it's time to do the shades on each and every metallic part of our main subject. So this is how I'm going to be work on the metallic surface. So after this all, I'm gonna use the Boolean saturation to make the edges brighter, because whenever you draw the highlights on any subject, the edges are much brighter than the other areas of the overall subject. So for that, please check it out the video till the end. And if you guys like this video, please hit the like icon. And if you guys wanna watch the similar kind of videos, please subscribe the channel and please hit the bell icon. And you guys can also do comment for your suggestion so that I can do much more effort. So thanks for watching it. Keep supporting, keep sharing, keep liking. I will meet you soon in the next video.